Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. So in today's video we want to analyze the gold markets for entire this week. I want to give you some ideas and opinions for trades. Please watch the video till the end because I want to give you some perspective in a 4 hour time frame and in a 1 hour time frame. So if I want to be honest, last week it was a profitable week for me, but actually it wasn't really good. It wasn't really good. I just had the biggest stop loss. I just had some targets, and actually I couldn't share actually some of them with the people in the Telegram channel. And yeah, this kind of stuff. So if you remember in my previous video, I told you that when you see a huge shadow in the higher time frames like the daily 4 hour time frame, okay, just sweep the liquidity, it means that price just want to change the way. So as you guys can see, prices start coming down, but I also told you that you have a chance to go for the short trade in the 50% of this hidden supply zone in a daily time frame. But if I want to be honest, I didn't really expect to see that price just come down, okay, this much. This huge momentum candle, it's too much, it's really fucking too much. But it's because the news that we just had in the market, and the China just said that I'm not going to buy gold anymore because it's really expensive right now and this kind of stuff. So um, you can see this huge candlestick creates on Friday. So right now in the daily time frame, I just want to mention a good um, levels for you guys that you guys can go for the short or line trade. But I don't know if the price want to go up or down on Monday, Tuesday. Okay, but if you see that price start going up, the 50% of this daily gap is really important. Okay, you can't go for short trade like this. Okay, you can't go for a short trade like this, but actually you can if you just want to accept this risk. You can, but yeah, you have a chance to see that price start coming down again from the 50% of this gap here. Or let me just mark this range for you guys, so you can see that prices start coming down from this range of price, okay, in the daily time frame. You also have a chance to see that price come down, reaching to this dimension to sweep this liquidity, and after that, respecting to this one, and it start going up. Maybe you see some kind of this huge shadow also into this dimension to, they just wanted to, fill this gap here, okay? So you also need to be careful about this gap if you just wanted to go for the line trade here. And I don't know if I say this or not. I really didn't expect to see this huge candle. Okay, I just wanted to see that price come down to this level of price here. Okay, or here, and after that, you're gonna start to see that price going up to fill this gap, and after that, start to coming down like this huge momentum candle. But let's go in the forward time frame right now. So you guys can see that price just sweep this liquidity in the market here. Also touch this hidden for our supply zone. Actually, it was the reversal one, but it doesn't matter. Price just started coming down rapidly to reject this dimension and sweep this liquidity is also here. So the important things in the 4 hour time frame is that this supply zone is really important. If in this week or next week, it doesn't matter, next month, you see that price just reaching this supply zone, you guys have a chance to go for the short trade, but you also need to be careful about this gap. So this is the first thing. The second thing is that you guys have a chance to go for the short trades in the 50% of this gap in the 4 hour time frames. You guys know I'm saying that you have a chance to go for the long or short trades in the 50% of all the gaps in the higher time frames because they are really important. And actually, it's depend on yourself because you need to go and find the best or optimize it demand or supply zones in the lower time frame. Okay, actually, we will check it later. So I just marked this level of price as a new lower low for the 4 hour time frame. So right now, I don't know, this level of price want to be my new lower low or in this dimension or in this one. But let me just tell you that, as I told you, you have a chance to go for the short trade here and here in the 4 hour time frame right now. You also have a chance to go for a long trade in these demon zones. So These are the dimensions in the 4 hour time frame. This is the hidden 4 hour dimensions. This is the dimension. This is another dimension that we have a liquidity here. Price is also tap in this dimension for 2 times. And actually, price if price want to respect in this dimension, we just need to see that price actually uh, reach into this range of price under the 50% of this dimension. So let me just clean the things. Okay, so you had these opportunities to short and you have these opportunities for the long trade. So let's go in the 1 hour time frame. But right now, let me just no, um, let me just zoom in. Yeah. So I told you have to find the best opportunity here and here, the 50% of the 4 hour time frame. So let's check the 1 hour time frame. So just also watch here too. Let me just zoom in. So you can see that this level of price can be here again, the 50% of the gap in the 1 hour time frame. So actually, we can go for the short trade here, but what if price just tap into this supply zone? This would be much better. So in that case, we can say that, okay, in a 4 hour time frame, price just fill the gap, tap into this supply zone, okay, here, and after that, it started coming down. But if you just want to go for the short trade here, you guys need to be careful about a little bit gap here, okay? You guys really need to be careful about this one. Maybe you see it, I don't know, huge shadow, something like this, okay? Uh, and after that, you see that price started coming down, and it's because they want to hunt some stop losses, also fill this gap, also maybe this sweep this equal high liquidity here. So we have these things in the 1 hour time frame. So let's check the 15-minute time frame. So here, actually, so if I just want to find a good supply zone, maybe this supply zone would be good to go for the short trade. Okay, so this is a good level again, but let's see the 50% of this supply zone here in the 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, we have the reversal zone here. Let's check the 15. I guess with, yeah, this one. So actually, this one is really good too. This one is really good too for to go for the short trade, but uh, it might be too risky too because we have a gap above this supply zone. But you need to accept the risk. Yep. So right now, let's go in the 1 hour time frame. I just wanted to check that gaps. So you know that we have this reversal. We have a good opportunity to go for the short trade here. We don't have the new lower low in the 1 hour time frame. Price just tap into this dimension. I don't think that price want to respect this dimension because just watch here. How many time price just tap into this dimension, and also price just engulf this dimension too. Okay, so I really like to see that price just reject this dimension. I don't know, maybe you see that prices start to going up to reach into this supply zone, and after that prices start to coming down to see a new break of structure in the 1 hour time frame and price respecting this one. I really like to see something like this, or I don't know, price do something like this for me again. Okay, this one might be really good too. So this is the idea if price don't uh, respect this dimension, but if price is respecting this dimension, I'm sorry, we can see that price reach into this supply zone. We have a chance for short trade here. I don't have a TP right now. Let's say price reject these things, so you have another chance here. Okay, let's say this range of price in the 1 hour time frame, and let's say price want to reject this one again. Okay, after that we have this supply zone, but this supply zone is really powerful. You can go for the short trade here. So you have 3 opportunity to go for the short trade here, here, and here. And I just show you the optimized zones also in the 15-minute time frame too. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.